Okay, let's look.
Just breathe through it. Just breathe through it. Just breathe. Big cups. Just let it out. Just breathe. Just breathe.
Come on.
No. Breathe. In and out.
Breathe. Breathe.
Oh, God.
Breathe. Yeah.
Breathe.
Oh.
You need a hand to squeeze?
Oh, my God.
Here.
Come on, what? Oh, this hurts.
It's hurt. She's stretching everything out, honey.
Okay, when is her head coming?
Soon enough.
This hurts.
Soon enough.
Listen, Jeremiah didn't feel like this shit.
Doug, you ready? We'll count it for Steve to get here too. Okay. You want me to? Well.
Squeeze my hand, do something, don't just hold it.
Raise your bed up.
Breathe.
I'll raise it up. Do you want me to take the...
Come on, breathe. Shit.
No, I'm not wearing it down.
Okay, so you want to do it like this?
Do this.
That's fine.
We can lay it.
Breathe, sugar. Breathe.
Yeah, the leg tucks down.
Okay.
We're going to meet this little girl soon.
Oh,
You
yeah.
get to...
You guys call Muffy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your back.
You alright? Come on.
Alright. When you were getting gloves on.
Oh.
It's for the mess.
This over here.
It's for the mess that I was wanting to do.
Yeah, I'm getting everything out for that too. I bleached.
They got your doctor.
Okay.
They got your doctor, girl.
It's right next to it.
Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on with it.
Are you having a contraction?
She's just stretching everything out.
Okay.
She's doing such a good job.
You have a contraction.
Big push.
Oh.
Just because I didn't have it down on. So.
Get your legs up.
Hold on, shit.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
That's the baby.
Please,
You're okay.
Baby, look at.
Don't stop pushing.
Don't stop pushing.
Go ahead,
Push.
Relax your leg, honey.
Where's this bed, is it? Alright, push.
Relax your leg.
Push, Shell. Push. Oh my God.
Mom.
Oh my God. Fuck that.
Oh, you did such a good job. Now remember what I said. They're just going to take her over to the warmer. Make sure she's doing all right.
Oh shit, yeah, I seen all that. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's just gorgeous.
You said I can't record that, can I?
Hold on just a minute. As soon
Okay.
as she's to the warmer, I would...
Thank you, guys.
Oh my God.
Look at my baby.
You saw her?
You did it.
Yeah, look at you. Look at you. That's 3 minutes tops, girl. Look at you.
As soon as they got you comfortable.
7.5.
Oh, that is some funky shit.
Thank you, Linda.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Great. Congratulations.
Me? Yeah. Let me.
And then you can take that.
Oh my God.
Well, as soon as they got you comfortable with that epidural, your body just relaxed and...
Oh my God. You should see her. I don't want to see that though. Huh? Hold on. You gotta wait till they cleaning it. They getting it buffed up. Oh, look at my baby.
Yeah, I'm going to. I've got it.
That's your
I think I
baby.
need to deep too. I can hear her gurgling there.
Oh my God.
Trying to take that.
Wait till you see the head on this little girl. Oh my God, this is a big old head.
Let me see the camera. Oh, you see the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. You can break this down if y'all don't mind. I don't think much. I haven't looked at.
How you twist like that only at 5 centimeters like that?
No, she went for 5.
I told you I feel like I had to.
Say it again. Say it again. Oh my God.
I'm going to take roots under your bottom, okay? Her chin.
Nope, no booty chin. That ain't me.
Can you lift up your bottom for me? Alright, way up here. Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever you check that while you're shooting.
Got more than me.
What do you need?
Oh,
Oh, it's the bed up? Or,
yeah, but my,
oh, there's 2 different heights here.
yeah, so we're fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to in just a second. I'm going to give her just a minute to recuperate, you know.
A lot of pressure.
She had a perm, baby. They said she had a perm.
And then just go behind you.
That's your bottom, honey.
Let them clean you out, girl. Quit being stubborn. Took you 2 weeks to get here. It happened that fast? God. That's what made me come in here. I heard, Nick!
Yeah, she wanted you pretty bad.
I think I got her. Shall I be back?